am for sure a garden nerd, Ames is a grass geek. So a couple years ago, we turned this patch of dirt into a lawn. It's not very big and it's not perfect, but we all enjoy it very much. However, it's got some issues, and she seemed to think a Dethatcher would help a bunch. After countless hours of research, it seems, she settled on the SunJoe.
Bob?
Phillips screwdriver thingy?
Yeah, let me grab that. Okay. Use the washers with it? I mean, seriously. It says Phillips screw, but there's 2 washers in here, so do you put the washers on there with it? I don't know. Lower handlebars, check. Phillips screws, got to put in there. But there's little washers in there, but I don't see. Let's see if I can find the hole. Yeah. That's what she said.
Solid.
Sweet.
Lower handle, knob, and bolt.
They look the same, so I don't think it matters. Which, the knob go on the outside or the inside? Has to go on the outside. That's the only thing that makes sense.
Yep, in the picture, it's on the outside.
Well, this is... People said it was a pain in the ass, but now I really see it's a pain in the ass. Unless I put it on wrong. I'd like this. That thing should fit, because it's square.
Yep, like a carriage bolt.
Okay. Yep.
Better?
Yep.
Sweet.
Maybe pay attention to the instructions when you're doing this.
What?
I'm not very good at that. Makes sense though.
Yep.
Never in doubt, check it out. Ta-da!
Yeah, like that, I would think.
Has to be.
Yeah.
Again, I'm not reading instructions. Can you give me those things?
Yeah. Pay attention to which side has the square hole.
You gotta find the round hole.
Sure about that?
Yep.
Okay.
Positive. Oops, this one. Not this one. This one. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yep. I think it's just the
clamperoons.
Yeah, the power cable clips.
And again, here's those washers.
What the hell are they for?
I think that they're for those Phillips ones.
Oh, they should have mentioned that.
Yeah. I'm not really sure how this goes on.
I guess is as good as mine. Oh, like that. It just stops it from dangling.
Okay.
All right.
I figure out how to put this thing in there.
Oh, yeah. The business end.
Yep, there it is.
Okay. So which one is that one?
That is the Scarifier.
Okay. And then that one's the Dethatcher.
Yeah, that's the one I want.
Okay. You gonna swap them out?
Yeah, but I gotta figure out how.
Okay. Oh. You didn't just cut your foot, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, shit.
It's fine. I'm the idiot that fucking put myself there. 10 millimeter would be great.
10 mil. Okay. Should have known it's metric. Test drive.
There we go.
Yeah?
though.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to 0.
Okay.
So to lower this thing, you push in and it drops or raises.
Okay. Yeah, there's Thatch.
See it?
Yeah, I do see it. Hell yeah. About a half a bag.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna stub my toe on that blade.
Look how much greener it looks.
It does look greener. All that dead brown stuff taken out. Now, right after we got the SunJoe, we happened to get our hands on a brand new Greenworks, so we thought we should do a comparison.
Parts just randomly in the box.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Fewer parts, it looks like, than the SunJoe.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can put the handle on right on this one. It's like the same, very similar.
Yeah, it does. The only difference is they're not black, but it looks almost exactly the same.
I wonder if the Scarifier, if they'd fit in there, I'd have to take it apart and see. I don't know if it releases or not.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hey, here's a screw fit.
Oh, okay.
Again, like I said, everything just sporadically.
Just thrown in the box. Okay.
The package is better on the SunJoe than this. And it's all banged up.
God, I wonder if this was a return.
I don't know, but look at it. It's all banged up.
Oh, yeah, sure enough.
Even on the back here.
Oh, yeah. That's not good. Yeah. Looks like it got drop kicked.
Yeah. Their picture is not very good, so I have no idea what to do. I need a star-shaped screwdriver.
What's the problem?
They only gave us one screw. Like I said, everything was sporadic in the box. But the box came open.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe it fell out.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to see if I have a screw
Another one of those.
like this. We don't have one.
Let's see if I can find one this size.
Well, even the holes don't even line up. This is the right screw, so I'm gonna see how it feels when I screw it in. Alright. Alright, our garage screw worked.
Okay, cool.
Screw goes on the outside and the plastic piece goes on the inside.
Okay.
Check.
Yep. Well, assembly's pretty easy.
Yeah.
It'd go better if all the parts were there, but it's just putting two handle pieces on. Must be for cord management, maybe?
Yeah. But still, there's nothing.
Nothing in the instructions.
Oh, it just says loop it on. I think that's what it said. It says, assembly the lower handle. Insert the lower handle into the housing hole. Place rubber pad between the housing and lower handle. Slide cord retainer onto lower handle. Using the supplied screws, says 3. I have no idea where 3 is.
Oh.
Oh, that thing goes in here first. That.
Oh,
This does not.
Oh, this cord retainer.
But do you see the instructions? It's stupid.
Yeah, this thing goes
Through there, I'll
that.
take one of those off and.
Oopsie. Since we just dethatched our lawn with the SunJoe, we offered up to our neighbors to dethatch their lawns using both so we could do a side-by-side.
Good boy. I know you smell so good. I know. See you later.
It wouldn't be lawn care without a bulldog. All right.
A lot of this will come up. Let me see.
All in all, they performed pretty equally as far as dethatching goes. The SunJoe was a little harder to put together, but seemed sturdier and better packed. It also has bigger rear wheels, so it's a little easier to negotiate. Whereas the Greenworks, it seemed kind of thrown in the box. The packing was not very good, but it was very easy to put together. So they're pretty comparable. It just comes down to like the niceties.